Hello bears, today I will create a press release backlink for my website. Also you can take unlimited press release backlink for your website. So don't skip the video and please subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, at first I am copy the website URL. The website is totally free for backlink. Okay, I am enter the website. After enter the website, you can see like this interface. The website name is for press release. Okay, at first you have to need register on this website. For register, click on join now. After click on join now, you can see like this form. Totally fill up, give all information, then click on submit. I have a already account, so I am logging here. After login, you can see like this interface. For press release or for submit a press release, click on submit press release. Okay, then you can see like this interface. Here you give your press release title. I am copy my backlinks title. Okay, now company name. My company name is SM Tour Place. Okay, here give a company valid Gmail address and give your name. Now select on category. I am select my category. Okay, subcategory. Now your press release body. You can follow my press release body template. This is the template. You can follow this template. Okay, now select your country. Okay, I am select my country, address and your website URL. I give my website URL for backlink. Mind it, your website URL must be given because without website URL your backlink cannot create. Okay, now you can give keyword. You can give tag or targeted keyword. I am copy my tag. Okay, here is your phone number and mobile number. Okay, then you can choose a picture. I don't keep a picture now. Then click on post news. Okay, after click here, you can see like this interface. You can see a press release backlink already create for my website, but these backlink are no follow because they are provide no follow backlink for free, but for $20 they keep one do follow link for permanent. Okay, but no follow no problem. Backlink, you have a free backlink from this website. Thanks for watching the video.